Hi, this is Miss Williams' class, and we are going to share some facts about Madagascar. We found out some interesting facts about Madagascar, some that we thought were true, and then some that were false. So we're going to share some of our facts, and then we'll tell you some facts that we thought were true, but they're not. So we'll be sharing all of our interesting facts in just 1 second.
Hello, my name is Dakota, and I'm going to be telling you about Madagascar. Did you know that Madagascar has a brown-mouthed lemur, and it's the second biggest island? Hello, my name is Ava, and I'm going to share a fact about Madagascar. Did you know that the brown-mouthed lemur is the smallest lemur that you can find? Hi, my name is Abby, and I want to show you some facts about Madagascar. Did you know Madagascar is the second biggest island?
Show the back.
I don't know. I don't have anything.
And then I can.
Hi, this is Miss Colleen's question. You know, Madagascar has special trees. Hi, my name is Olivia, and Madagascar is the second big island. Woohoo! My name is Jeremiah, and then Madagascar has trees.
What are they called?
The
Baobabs.
baobabs.
All right.
Hi, my name's Elena, and it says that different kind of countries and different kind of race, there's all different flowers because there's flowers that are red and pink, and there's different lizards and different frogs, different trees that are frog. Hello, my name is Lincoln Russell, and I'm in Miss Williams' class, and today I'm going to be interviewing about Madagascar. And I have this. No, I have that. And that.
And then what's the fact?
There's a fact that it's cold there. And there's penguins there, and some people, and they had to cut all the trees down because there's too much trees in the rainforest in Madagascar.
What about it?
It's a tomato frog. Hi, my name is Fabian, and I'm gonna tell you about Madagascar.
What's your fact?
I wanna tell you about the brown mouse lemur. It hides in the daytime because it's his little habitat. Hi, my name is Mattel. And did you know that a brown lemur forgot everything? The brown lemur, every single time that it's night, they hide from their predators.
Can I show you paper for me? All right, get you.
Did you know Madagascar has a tomato frog? A lot of water and a lot of trees.
Hi, this is Miss Williams' class again, and we just shared some of our facts that we wanted to share with you, and we're just going to go over a few just in case you couldn't hear some of our important facts about Madagascar. So first, Madagascar is and it's surrounded by, and what's the name of the ocean? Indian Ocean. And say that? Good job. And then we're going to show you our flag for Madagascar. This is what it looks like. And it also reminded us of what place? Mexico. But the colors are the same, but it's arranged differently from the Mexico flag. And also the Mexico flag has a eagle. Good job. Next, what is Madagascar's favorite sport? Okay. And then it reminds us of soccer, and they call it football. And then Madagascar, what's one of their foods? Okay. Okay. Ava, what was it? Okay. And then Fabian, what was another one? Okay. And then Lincoln. Okay. Shrimp. And then anybody else? Dakota. Okay. Oranges. What else? Ernesto? Strawberries. Elena? Oranges. Jeremiah? Okay. Juice. Olivia? Okay. Pineapples. Can you think of anything else that they like to eat there? Hey, Dakota? okay, and lemons. So they had lots of fruits that they enjoy also with their fried rice. What was one of the languages for Madagascar? Okay, Ernesto. Okay, Abby. Okay, French. French was one, and then the other one was Mala. Do you remember, Dakota? Malagasy. Can you say it? Malagasy? Yeah. Okay. And then let's see, we did our sport, we did some foods, we did what our country looked like. And you think of anything else we may have forgotten? Dakota. Okay, animals. Okay, animals in the trees. So let's do the trees. What's the name of those tall trees? Very good. Okay, and then the animals. Raise your hand. Raise your hand and we'll say the animals. Ready? Ava. Okay, tomato frog. Dakota. Okay, brown nosed lemur. Olivia. Brown mouse lemur. Okay, Olivia. Oh, the cockroach. Yes. Elena.
There's the the um the snake.
Okay, snakes. Giovanni.
The animal with the robot thing.
Okay, okay. Ernesto.
Gecko.
Geckos. Lincoln.
What is it? The chameleon.
Okay, chameleons. Fabian.
Um,
Okay, the lemur. Anything else? Dakota. Okay, leaf tail lizards. Ava. Okay, penguins. Anything else? All right. So for those are some of the animals that you might find in Madagascar. And also all those trees remind us of what? What did we say that was from? Hey, the rainforest, the rainforest. Mhm. So we have the rainforest. All right, so that concludes our report on and our research on Madagascar for our class. So we just want to say thank you for watching. Can y'all say goodbye?